that old pump, and now it can only go up to 5 for the dollars.
Okay, we're getting pretty bad icing here. Whew, look at the camera on the wing.
All right, this was a success.
Day 2 of flying.
This country is full of gems, I'll tell you.
Looking forward to this one. It's gonna be interesting.
Heading towards the mountains today.
Departing Las Vegas today.
I will go to San Diego.
I wanna go to San Diego. Oh, weird.
All right, we have started initial descent. We got the weather, probably another 600 feet of clouds. Is that cool, Nick, or what? Very cool. First time for me doing this from San Diego to San Francisco.
Going back towards back home. And then we'll be heading to the Livermore Airport. But I'm ready to go home.
Good morning. Going back towards the southeast today with a stop in a small little airport in New Mexico. And then we'll continue on to Austin, Texas. Spend the night over there. Quick!
Full power, airspeed is alive. Both places.
Cirrus 20 Zulu, contact NorCal departure 125.35, good day.
Over departure, good day to Shazulu. NorCal departure, good morning, Cirrus November 122 Zulu, climbing via the SID.
Number 122 Sierra Zulu, NorCal approach, ident, the Ocala altimeter 29903.
29903, and here's the ident to Shazulu. Alright, we got another 11 minutes to go for Grants Milan. 15,000 feet was a great altitude. Where's that airport? Oh, I see it. It's behind this mesa over here. Wow, birds. Grants Milan traffic, Cirrus 122 Zulu is entering final runway 13 full stop, Grants Milan. Interesting little field with a long runway. Let's see, where's the fuel pump? It's over there.
So the pump is not working, right? So I gotta go inside and see what's going on. I called them and they said that you need to leave it time so you can prime. But I'm afraid that the longer it takes, it's gonna develop vapor lock. So this gotta be done quick.
Come on, give me some fuel flow. Let's go. Let's see what we can do here.
So the only thing that I can do right now is just drain some of the fuel from the gasculator and hope that takes care of it. Maybe some cool fuel will flow from the gas tanks, and we'll see how if that's gonna do it. But otherwise, we're gonna be stuck here for a while.
This is not gonna start. All right, plan B, let's go for lunch.
I'm driving Miss Lynn's work truck because the crew car is out. But I'm gonna go grab some lunch because the airplane just it's too hot. She doesn't want to start. So let's go for a little adventure. Kiva restaurant, she said. Let's go check it out. Yummy tacos. And maybe after I can go next door to the Native American store and see what they have. Got a
cute little thing for Zoe also, so from the store. And let's see if we can start the airplane. Alright, finally, we're getting fuel flow. Not clear?
Grand Milan traffic, Cirrus November 122 Zulu is taking runway 31, departure to the east, Grand Milan. Full power, airspeed is alive both places. For 77 knots. Minutes left, about 14 minutes left for the fuel. It's been a long day today. Whole delay with the fuel and the hot engine and all that stuff. You know, it's getting dark. I've already lost 2 hours because going from Pacific to Central Time.
November 2 Sierra Zulu, just want to maintain 3,000. Cross fast is at 3,000. Cleared RNAV Zulu, correction, RNAV runway 13 approach at Austin Executive.
Alright, down 3,000 and we'll cross Fessus at 3,000 and clear for the RNAV 13 approach. 126 with next. And Tower 2 Zulu is boarding ICAXI.
Tower 2 Sierra Zulu, runway 13, cleared land.
Runway 13, cleared land, 122 Zulu.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love.
I just found a hotel nearby. I was hoping to be able to go stay downtown, but that's just not worth it anymore. I'm so late, you know. It's not worth it. So instead, I'm just gonna stay somewhere very, very near, and so I can be back tomorrow morning early.
Φεύγω τώρα, πάω σπίτι, είμαι κάπου στο Τέξας είμαι. Να σε κλείσω, μην κάνω κανένα λάθος εδώ πέρα. Έλα, λέμε. Longer flying to the east today just because there's headwinds. You know, typically when you go east you expect a nice tailwind, but not today. Just one of those weird days. Tower, Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu holding short, runway 13 ready for departure, eastbound VFR.
November 122 Sierra Zulu at Tether Tower, runway 13. Clear for takeoff, make left turn to the east.
Alright, clear for takeoff, runway 13, left turn to the east, 122 Sierra Zulu, thank you. Feet was a great altitude, nice and smooth above all the build-ups, or basically 99% of all the build-ups. I'm going to use the same altitude on the second flight here because I like the performance, and I think it's going to be above anything else, although I don't see anything on the horizon, neither are there any build-ups, but we're entering the later in the afternoon right now. This is when all the stuff happens, so I kind of want to repeat what worked on the first flight and kind of do it, observe altitudes, winds aloft. Oh, we got Destin in sight. We're going to be landing in a couple of minutes. Destin Tower, good afternoon. Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu on the visual runway 14.
Cirrus 2 Sierra Zulu, continue for a right base to runway 14, report 2 miles west.
Alright, we'll continue for a right base, runway 14, we'll report 2 miles west, 122 Sierra Zulu.
Make this a very quick stop, and the faster we do it, the less chances are there for the engine to develop any vapor lock.
All right.
Number 1 Charlie Golf, runway 14
is alive.
to land.
There she goes. Okay, 10 minutes left after this crazy trip. Over 6,000 nautical miles across the country, all the way to California and back, with a stop in Detroit. So this was pretty epic, I'll tell you. I feel very good about the performance of the airplane. Felt very good about how I did as a pilot, and this didn't really require too much planning. It was just something that I wanted to do, and but with a machine that is capable like this one, and when you do have the skills and the practice and you're fit and ready to go, these kind of things definitely possible. I feel very good about it, and I'm going to do it again, I'll tell you.
Departure, good day.
This is a lot of fun. I learned a lot of new things on this one, and looking forward to repeating it. Maybe the next one I'm going to do, I'm just going to literally go around the country. Coast to coast to coast, north to south, east to west. By the way, we just passed the 700-hour mark on this airplane, so this is pretty cool. Can't believe I've put 700 hours on this airplane. This is amazing. Come to think of it, close to about 1,500 hours in Cirruses. So that's pretty good. And Tower Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu reporting on a 2-mile left base runway 5.
November 2 Sierra Zulu, clear to land runway 5.
Runway 5 clear to land, 122 Sierra Zulu. Alright, finals clear, other side's clear, nobody on the screen, we're good to go, we're clear, runway 5 check, we're good. Brakes are good, lights on, everything is good. Back where we started a week ago.